I want to come and share with you guys something that I have been obsessed. Now I have makeup on, so you cannot see anything, but I will definitely come back to show you guys my face without makeup. I have been obsessed with eye cream. I have been looking for the eye cream. You guys know, if you guys have followed me for a long time, you guys know I used to have this eye cream from the Lidl. That was so good. But the only thing with Lidl's, the Lidl in my area, the skincare things, they come seasonally. They come, they go. They come, they go. So if they come and you don't have a good amount of backup, you don't know when they're coming back. That's the thing with Lidl. And I love eye cream. I don't have wrinkles, no, but I just love eye cream because this season we are in, the allergic, the hoi quart, everything. When I wake up in the morning, my eye look like puff puff. My eye is swollen because of the allergic and everything. My face is like just weird, you know. So I always like to rub an eye cream, and that really helps me to like calm my eyes down, like that swollen thing, like that darkness underneath my eyes. It actually helps it for it to calm down and looks much more better because I don't wear makeup during the day when I'm going to work, except on special occasions, you know. So the Lidl, they come, they go, and I'm like, okay, I'm looking for something new. I was using Vaseline for the longest time. I was like, I'm looking for something new. So one day I decided, you know what, let me go to TikTok. Social media these days, you can find anything that you want on social media. So I'm like, let me go to TikTok. So I went to TikTok. I'm like, the best eye cream. I'm looking for an affordable and a good eye cream because it has to be affordable. The economy right now is not economy. The economy is not giving. So you want to have something that is affordable and good at the same time. And for this price, I can say it's affordable because it's still a good one. So I saw a lot of videos on this particular eye cream, great reviews on this on social media, and I was like, you know what, let me give it a try. I saw it on Zalando and I decided to pick it up. I have been using it now for 5 days now and I love it. I decided to pick a backup because I'm like, one thing about me, I want to give something a good try. You know, I just don't want to use one container and I said, it is no, because one, you can't get a good result on one. You need multiple. So I'm like, you know what, let me just get 3. At least if I finish all 3 and I don't see results, I have every single right to complain. I have every single right to nag. But if I just use one and I'm like, it's not working, I didn't give it enough try. I didn't give it enough try for me to know whether it works or not. So I pick up 3. This is my obsession. When I go to bed at night, I'm rubbing this all over, like I'm going in here, I'm going there, I'm going all over my eye. And also I saw a video of a lady that said, bring it down to your smile line. I don't really have a smile line, you know, but I'll bring it down there and I'll put it up on my forehead a little bit. You know, I'm putting it everywhere. I'm putting it everywhere. I have been obsessed. I have been obsessed. Now I have makeup on, but I'll definitely come back to show you guys my face without makeup. But today I was feeling good. I'm like, you know what, I want to look a little bit glamorous today. I'm going out with my friends and we're going to have some good time. So I thought, you know what, let me do my makeup. And I use this. I use this underneath my eyes, you know, I put it a little bit around my nose, you know, because sometimes I get like those, I don't know how to call it, but like those lines around my nose and the foundation doesn't really stick too good. So I went in around that area also and like, you know, and the makeup turned out looking good. Not bad. It looks good. Skin is skinning, but overall, I love this makeup. It looks so beautiful. So yeah, this is something I've been loving. I've been loving it. I have been loving it, and yeah, I love it. You know, I love it. I also pick up the face mask. They have 2 different type of face mask. One it's more like purple, and the other one is ricey. I also picked those one up there in the bathroom. I also picked those one. I haven't given it a try because normally at night when I finish take shower, I have this aloe vera eye mask that I'm using that I just put around my eyes and then before bed. So I haven't give those a try. But this one, I've been using it since the day it came because it was easy. It was just like, and I love the consistency. So it's not watery. It's not like super thick. And when you apply it to the skin, it's just like absorbed into the skin very smoothly. You know, it just absorbs, it just melts into your skin. Look how beautiful that is. And I don't have wrinkles, but if we can prevent it, why not? I'm still very young, but yeah, I'm getting old. I'm getting old. Your girl is gonna be 34. I'm getting old, so if we can do something to still look good at 64, why not? We're doing it. So yeah, I just want to come and share with you guys. I'll definitely come back and show you guys how I apply it. But yeah, I'm just feeling so good today. I'm like, you know what? Let me share with you guys. Simple as it. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you all. And I'll see you all on the next video.